Hi everyone, I'm Anelia from the Tricity Homes team at Davenport Realty, and I'm super excited to showcase you our newest listing for Roseberry Lane in the Rosemount neighborhood in the city of Kitchener. This brand new 3-story townhome features 2 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, 1-car garage, 9-foot ceilings on the main floor, and many upgrades throughout. Let's head inside and check out the rest of this lovely home. The main area has an open concept living area featuring a bright and spacious kitchen with stainless steel appliances, modern cabinetry, and as a bonus, you get your own walk-in pantry or use it as a storage. The living and dining area has been upgraded with engineered hardwood, making the space look modern and gleaming. Off of the dining area is the large and spacious balcony where you can enjoy your morning coffee or prepare sizzling steaks. On the upper floor are 2 bedrooms. The master bedroom features a walk-in closet and a 4-piece ensuite. The second bedroom has its own 3-piece bath. On the lower level is the laundry room and access to the home from the garage. Roseberry Lane is located very close to downtown Kitchener, close to schools, parks, public transit, and only minutes to Highway 7 and 8. If you or anyone you know that might be interested in this property, please contact us now to book your private showing. I'm 𝗖cie𝗺𝗀𝗶𝘀𝗀𝗶ecie from the Tricity Homes team at Davenport Realty.